Now, let's read the story about Josie's aquarium. Josie's aquarium has a length of 30 centimeters, a width of 20 centimeters, and a height of 10 centimeters. What is the capacity of the aquarium? The question in the problem is the capacity of the aquarium. But what is capacity? As you can see in the picture of the aquarium, it forms a rectangular prism. Now, when you say capacity, it is the maximum amount or number that can be contained or accommodated. It also represents or associates the word volume, which is the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object as measured in cubic units. Now, how can we find the volume of the aquarium or the capacity of the prism? Now, the volume of a rectangular prism is equal to the product of the measures of the length, the width, and the height. Thus, V is equals to L times W times the height. So again, in order to find for the formula of the prism, take note that the formula is length times width times the height. You might ask, Miss, why do we need to use the formula? What's that for, right? Now, math formulas, which are equations that shows us how to work something out, tell us exactly what we need to do to solve a particular problem. We often use the formula that have been already developed or discovered. So it is important that we understand how to use this formula. Now, these formulas helps us to answer the problems easily, and that serves as our guide. So let us answer the problem about the capacity of Josie's aquarium. So first, all you have to do is to write the formula. First, we need to write the formula. So we have B is equals to L times W times the height. Now, all you have to do is to substitute the given measurement to its formula. So the length of the aquarium is 30 centimeters multiplied by the width, which is 20 centimeters, and the height, which is 10 centimeters. Take note that in the commutative property of multiplication, even if you interchange or you multiply first the length to the width or the width to the height and vice versa, the answer will still be the same. So we have 30 times 10 times 10, 30 times 20 times 10, it is 6,000. So since you multiplied 3 times the measurement, so you use 6,000 cubic centimeter. When you say cubic, you can write the word cubic centimeter. You can just write cm to the power of 3. The capacity of Josie's aquarium is 6,000 cubic centimeters. Next, if it is a cube, the volume of a cube is equals to side times side times side. Since each side of the square is the same, it can simply be the length of one side cubed. Now, the formula of a cube is equal to the cube of a side. V is equals to S times S times S. Take note that the unit of measurement of the volume are cubic units, such as cubic centimeters, cubic meters, cubic inches, and so on. Let's have an example. So we have here a cube with a measurement of 3 centimeters as its sides So first you have to do not forget to write the formula, which is V is equals to S times S times S. Substitute the given measurement for the measurement of the sides, which is 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters. So we have the volume of the cube is 27 cubic centimeters. Let's have more examples. In this example, we need to use the formula of the prisms because of the given measurement, which is the length, the width, and the height. So again, do not forget to write the formula first. Does this serve as your guide? The volume is equals to the length times the width times the height. Substitute the given measurement, which is 5 centimeters times 6 centimeters times 7 centimeters. So we have 5 times 6 is 30, times 7 is 210, then cubic centimeters. Or you can write 210 cubic centimeters. Next, another example is if the length is 9 meters, the width is 8 meters, and the height is 4 meters. Do not forget to write the formula. V is equals to the length times the width times the height. Substitute the given measurement to the formula. 9 meters times 8 meters times 4 meters. And the answer for that is 288 cubic meters. Another example. So in this given example, the only given measurement is side. Therefore, to find for the volume, that means it's a cube. So write the formula of a cube. V is equals to S times S times S. Then substitute 11 centimeter times 11 centimeter times 11 centimeters. So it's equal to 11 times 11 is 121 times 11 is 1,331, again, cubic centimeter. Do not forget to write the unit. And last example, before you will do it on your own, so we have here again the volume is equals to S times S times S. Substitute 15 centimeters times 15 centimeters times 15 centimeters. So we have 3,375 cubic centimeters. So again, do not forget to write the unit of measurement, because if you are not going to put the unit of measurement, we don't know if it's some meters or centimeters or how long or how big is the object. Now, another question that we might have always in mind is, what's the use of the volume in daily life? Now, well, whether you are measuring ingredients of a recipe, filling up a car's gas, or just adding detergent to the washing machine, or even the liquids that we are going to drink. Math and volume are often used in daily life, from measuring liquids to assessing drinking amounts. For example, how much amount of water do you need every day? Or how much water do you need for a 3 tablespoons of milk? Something like that. So volume is very important.